it's Brooke with WTI.
Do you like baking but also getting it accurate every single time and get that delicious pastry? Check out this digital scale. It's battery free. I love it. You just crank the arm and it charges. This accurately weighs all my ingredients for baking. This is great for DIY projects. I love how this is so convenient to use. You use the button in the back to change the units, and it has the ounces, grams. You can also check liquid volume with water milliliters and milk milliliters. And this button on the right with the arrow, you use that to tare your bowl so you're not weighing your bowl as well. It's very convenient and holds up to 11 pounds, so that is going to be perfect for all of my baking needs. The bottom has rubber on it, so it really stays in place and doesn't slide around. And then with this brown sugar in it, I tared it again and then added the butter to weigh that. And you can do it separately or together, whatever you prefer. But this really comes in handy. It's very accurate, super easy to use, and I love the way that it looks and the size of it. And when I'm all done, it actually magnetizes to my fridge, so I can just plop it on there and it looks really cool.
I love this, but that's just my point of view.